Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create looping background videos in Canva. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply create a looping background video in Canva app, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open Canva. Once you're in your Canva, you need to simply start a project. You need to open a Canva project, or you can simply start a new one. Once you have selected it, you can add your video. You can upload your own video file from the library, and you can drag the video into your design. Once you have done this, you need to click on the video to select it. Look for the toolbar that appears like playback option. It will allow you to edit the particular video. You can simply tap on play on repeat, so this will enable the looping. You can adjust for smoothness. This is completely optional but highly recommended, like trimming and adjusting your speed. After this, you can preview the video and download it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.